Alright, it says I'm live. Let's see. Are we live? We are live. That's perfect. That's really good. Alright, welcome back to another live. I think it was like I haven't done a live in some time. So let me just hear myself double. There we go. So it was some time since I live streamed before. It was like a week maybe. So I'll just I had some problems right now at New York Open, so I kind of well I couldn't really start at 2 when New York opens for me, but that's hopefully that's fine for y'all. Let's go through our buys for today. I am prioritizing GBP JPY and USD JPY because I've been trading a lot better at both of them before. So let's see. This actually looks pretty good just from my eyes. Because we recently broke structure, took upside, and we might want to take out, or if we, wait, let me just, there we go. And we might, if we take out these London session lows, that would be awesome. And we have some news at 14, like in 35 minutes, so not that long time, um, but I'll still wait for those because we never know. And we are bullish. Wait, let me actually go through this a bit deeper. On the 4 hour we are really bullish. We took out these highs, which could end up making us go to the downside, fill in some for value gas, but maybe we hit equilibrium though. It's big. Yeah, we did hit equilibrium, so maybe we don't want to get down. So I'm pretty bullish on this one, especially if we take out these London session lows. Let's go through here. Oh, London Open, Asian session open. Pretty much the same. Or no, you know what? Never mind. We broke structure. We did break structure to the downside here. Maybe that could be a retrace opportunity for us, to like take out these long session lows and get higher, uh, at least in this, breaker block. Last time I did that, shit didn't go too well, so I look, I'll be careful with that. And let's mark out some shit here too. Um, so we got these London session highs, London session lows, and we are currently bullish on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, however, we're really bearish. Um, although in a fair value gap, and on the daily we are in a fair value gap too, and we have these highs up here that we definitely want to take out. So I will say that I'm bullish for today actually. And we have some 4 hour fair value gaps and equilibrium to fill later. So I'll say if we take out these lows, I'll be more than fine to go up. Let's see. Mark the last one out. And bam, some lows. We'll mark these lows out too. Boom. So we have a lot of. We did just broke structure and tapped into this breaker block. I don't want to mark that out because it will be too much drawing, but tapped into this breaker block and hourly. That was a while ago though, that was 1 hour ago. So I won't really look into that anymore, but just a really bullish confirmation. Even a bullish push out of that, so I'd say that's pretty bullish. Let's see. We are extremely bullish on the on like overly bullish, for over bullish, but we did create this huge gap that we might want to fill in. I don't think I'll take a trade on futures today, actually. I'll keep it to Forex. I feel safer here. Alright, so that's buys for today. Pretty much bullish on all of them, I think. Uh, Feels like a pretty solid bias too. But of course, could change at any time. So mm, mm, mm. Alright, so I don't know. I looked back just real quick and saw that this flash service PMI, flash manufacturing PMI, hadn't made such a difference in the past, like in the past trading days or whenever like flash PMI came out. So I might be able to take a trade. No, I won't take a trade before that though. I no, I won't do that. So I just need to find something on my computer real quick. I just need to find the name of it. Um, um, how do you see how do you see what kind of computer you've got? Maybe you can see it if you do that. Oh shit. Oh what system? Oh, there we go. About. Um, Here we go. Found it. Alright, let's see our pairs. Not really having much. Oh shit, let me open up platform first. Um, and yeah, I'll need to. I'm starving, bro. I'll need to eat some shit. I have some food here though. Bro, that's so good. Oh shit, really? We have plus PMI at 1545. You know what? I'll I'll be able to take a trade before that because when I look back, it didn't affect the market anything, and yeah, so it should be chill. It should be okay to take a trade. I'm sorry, I'm a bit quiet. I just need to fix some shit with my mm, in my Instagram account. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, let's lock him. everything seemed to go up right now. Broke trucks on the 5 minute. Oh, I need to just do some shit with my computer real quick. Um, mm, 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 mm. Judging that this favela gap that we just got, hopefully we can get further down to here, to this level. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to find something here. Damn, bro, can we get some liquidity, like liquidity sweeps? All right, let's see what's happening. So we haven't moving anything right now. Actually, we have some liquidity down there. We didn't take that out. Um, this is the one that looks the best right now. But yeah, it's like we still need some hourly confluence, of course. Let's see, bro. Maybe we're getting down now. We did get a push out of this for that gap, so that will be useless now. Yeah, it's moving pretty slow. 40 minutes into market open. Yeah, yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait and see for now. Alright, come on. This is definitely the one that looks the best. But we were so close to these lows at market open. I do want to see these lows bit taken out though. We haven't moved for shit in an hour. Maybe we actually have to wait for those news to get some action. I don't know. Oh, we're not moving anything right now. Oh, we're not moving anything right now. I think they might. I think it might be due to news that we'll get some news. Maybe it actually will be pretty heavy. But yeah, we'll still have to see. We are within this big um, breaker block, but I don't want to take a trade off of that. So This is actually bearish. We broke structure to the downside, so um, we obviously have this breaker block that we just tapped into, but we got some highs up here too that we probably want to sweep. Mm, and from there, we could definitely look for a bearish trade. The 4 hour is, however, bullish, and we tapped into that fair value gap pretty perfectly. Mm, yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see actually. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, this like we pushed out of that fair value gap, small fair value gap. A lot of high resistance liquidity up here. Some low resistance liquidity, more high resistance. Mm, yeah, let's see what news we have tomorrow. 14:30. That's nice. On Friday, Euro has bank holiday. Doesn't mean that we can't trade. Um, New York session. Not a lot of news at New York session either, but still traded. But just expecting lower volatility, I guess. do create some lows right there. I've seen some people asked about what's low resistance and high resistance liquidity is, and like what's the difference. So I figured, why not just go through it right now? So just easily said, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that like it's basically failed swing lows and highs got getting taken out. So let's see, just off of this example, we have some we can even include these lows. We have some lows that hasn't been taken out, which is low resistance lows. And if we, or no, wait, if we would, and we have some low resistance lows right here too, that hasn't been taken out. So if we wanna, so if we come down, take out these lows, creating a high resistance low, and then getting further up, or we probably would want to get further up to take out those lows that wasn't able to get taken out, if you know what I'm saying. So I just realized I was wrong. Let me go through high and low resistance liquidity. So a lot of people have been wondering of what low and high resistance liquidity is, and I figured why not just go through it right now. So you can see we have a bunch of highs and lows on the hourly chart right now. So we had these lows that obviously got taken out by um, yeah, right here. And from there, we ended up from being bearish, broke structure to the upside. So that means that this made us push up and made us break structure, which makes this an strong or high resistance liquidity because we swept liquidity and then broke structure, um, which also creates an order block right here and yeah, a bunch of more confluences. But and then if we look at it, we have up here these two highs that I marked out are also some, or this is low resistance liquidity, and this is actually high resistance liquidity because we took out these highs before and then made a push down, but we never ended up breaking structure, which is why I'm able to take this trade bullish. So yeah, quick little lesson. Shit, my bad. did sweep previous day's lows for some hours ago. Okay, so we definitely have some high resistance liquidity right here because we swept these highs before breaking structure. No, it would make a lot of sense if we now tap into mm, this. Now we're in this order block, and we also tapped into this breaker block before, as we talked about. So a breaker structure to on the 5 minute and some other conferences would make me go for a trade right now. Actually, we did also on the daily take out some really important low resistance lows. So a push down would actually make a lot of sense. Obviously, our idea isn't working as we want it to right now, but that's only obviously fine. Um, if we do, oh no, never mind. So it would make sense. Like I'm really bearish right now on GBP and GBP JPY because right here they two pretty much affect each other, um, and this is looking really bearish, or this is looking bullish. However, we need some hourly conferences to actually get bullish, so we need to go down for us to do that. And on this, I want to see us to go down, so that's it. Just makes a lot of sense. Oh shit. Um, we just opened on. Um, we just opened. New York Stock Exchange just opened, and it's currently live. Yeah, so we have some daily highs that we're currently taking out. It's some low resistance daily highs. And I guess we want to target those highs, so it would make sense if we go up. Yeah, bro, maybe we actually want to take out this high resistance high before we get down. I'll wait until after moves, and if we don't see anything from there, I'll probably turn down for today or not trade anymore for today. For whatever reason, we're moving a lot right now. Potentially due to some news that I haven't seen anything about. Oh shit, we do have news. 15:35 actually. I am actually surprised that we moved from FOMC member Waller speaking. It's working pretty good. We're taking out some low resistance lows right now. So from here, I could see a pretty good push up. Um, just a 5 minute breaker structure first, and obviously we got some huge candles right here. I will be from here. We tapped in different red gaps and low resistance high and low resistance highs. From here, I'll definitely be able to look for shorts, maybe even on the 1 minute, just down to these 5 minute lows. Actually, even though I'm not uh, often trading like that, but if we find a good setup, like breaker structure, both those highs right there, maybe. And then we have some more. Like we have a lot of low resistance, 5 minute low resistance lows. So all this could just be a lot of, yeah, no, that could actually work out pretty good. Um, that could actually be pretty perfect. That actually sounded really good to me. Oh shit, I forgot we still have news in 5 minutes. Let's see what's 27, 26. Um, a week 32. I would enter with 0.32 lot size if we enter right here. But firstly, I want a 1 minute breaking structure for that to happen. So we haven't got any right now. So still have to see. Oh shit! On this, we are already bearish, and we took out these high resistance highs. We tapped into this fair value gap, so we could just do the exact same, and we just created a. Maybe we'll want to enter on GBP instead. Actually, that's some 5 minute lows right there, right there. Alright, so we formed a bullish candle. If we break structure right here, I'm entering in shorts. So if we break structure down there, I'm not entering because I need a 1-to-1 to the first tip off at least. Yeah, this is not gonna work out. That's too far for me. This is also too far. Let's just wait for news and see what happens. And then just wait. Let's wait for maybe get some 5-minute conferences. I'm gonna take away all this shit. Wait. Um, don't know where I marked that out. Oh, it's the order block. Yeah, whatever. Let's take away those. So I am definitely bearish right now, especially on this one. USD, GBP, USD, or GBP, JPY, my bad. Alright, so news just came out and they, as I thought, they didn't do anything, so maybe they did something right here. Nah, they took out these lows. I do want to see these lows get taken out. This is some high resistance liquidity though. We do have some high resistance. We do have some high resistance liquidity or low resistance liquidity up here, these two. So you might want to look into that actually. Shit, is that the daily? Yeah, so we just took out a lot of daily highs. Um, I could definitely look into shorting right here if we find some good. We never, oh, we did take out these daily. Never took out those. So we have a bunch of daily liquidity left. ES is looking much better though. And this is some high resistance liquidity, and we probably want to take out some of this. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so we took out all this. We are in this for value gap once again. Um, I do maybe want to see these highs getting taken out because this is definitely some low resistance liquidity up there. Yeah, unfortunately, we obviously had the right bias in USD JPY to take out these highs, but we never got a liquidity sweep or anything down here. That means we do have some low resistance liquidity, and this is creating a high resistance liquidity. So that might actually be pretty good. Some pretty good profits. Take profit areas. Shit, so we're really pushing down. I'm got an insanely big candle. Drake size. There's the opposite. Like that's pretty good. That means the S&P is going up, and Nasdaq if the currency is going down. Yeah, so USD is just tanking right now. Or is it going up? Maybe it's going up though. Yeah, it's going up. Everything against it is tanking. Maybe if we do something from here, I might be able to take shorts, quicker block, and a bit more. And the forwards looking really bearish too. Currently, we're not moving anything further down though. Right here, we did take out some. We did take out. So like this is high resistance liquidity, and this is low resistance that we just took out. So, however, this is a low resistance high. So yeah, but with these low resistance and high resistance is honestly confusing me, bro. This might actually do some. We are creating this for value gap. Alright, so we created a fair value gap right here. This will be the last chance for me to get in. Otherwise, I'm just hopping off for today. Oh, that might be too bad, actually. Um, oh, what? Oh, what is this shit? Just whatever. Um, bro, really, we don't take out those eyes. Damn, that might be the determinant that I don't want to take a trade, but I don't know. If we break 5 minute structure, it could be. Damn, you know what? We have some. This is some. Oh shit, no, my bad. We don't have any low resistance or low resistance lows. Yeah, alright, bro. It looks like we're not doing that. Yeah, bro, that's the determination for me. Or the decided for me. I don't want to take a trade no more on this. We did take out these highs. That's pretty beautiful on both. Yeah, both. Um, but yeah, that's whatever. Uh, I'll hop off for today. Love and appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.